How to change the notch appearance of your Redmi Note 13 Pro phone with HyperOS 2 or any other Xiaomi phone with HyperOS 2. So this is basically allowing the camera cutout to show or having that black bar here. So I'll show you where to go to find the settings and let's get started. You'll want to go ahead and use the quick access by pulling down from the top right and tapping on the settings toggle right here. Once in this section here, you'll go down to the part that says notifications and status bar, this one right there. And as you enter here, you'll see these different options and you want to go down to the area that says status bar. You'll see status bar here and just keep going down until you see hide notch. Now there's two separate settings for this one here. If you go to hide notch, this is a master switch, which basically will apply across for every app and everything that you're currently viewing, even the home screen as well. So you'll notice how it'll also look like this here, okay? Now, if you want to leave it shown like this all the time, but you want to do it for specific apps, just come out of here and you'll see notch in individual apps right there. And once you're here, you will just simply go down the list and find the ones that you don't want it for or want. Okay, so you either have auto or always show notch. Now for auto, basically this wouldn't apply for every app out there on your phone because it depends on the app compatibility. And of course, if it says always show, you'll always see the cutout there. And if it does have that black bar there, then that means that app is compatible. Okay, so you'll see that they all basically have these settings there for you. But this is where you would go to do this, so like and sub.